What up, fam? It's your boy Dooley, aka Mr. Do Work. Your boy is back with another review. Let's check it out. Guys, I want you to meet the intelligent neck massage. The intelligent neck massager. Let's check it out. Guys, the intelligent neck massager looks super cool. Look at this contraption. It looks great. Cannot wait to try it out. This is so cool, so unique. These look like super cool headphones. But right here, these are your electrode plates. And then here, as you can see, this is your charging port. And if I go over here, this is your switch button. This turns it on. And over here you have your heating mode. And then your mode switching right here, so you can switch to different modes with this. These are your intensifier buttons, so this intensifies it, this brings it back down. USB cable. Let's charge this bad boy and try it. Okay guys, let's take it for a spin. So it tells you to get a towel and moisten the towel and wipe your vertebrae. So I did that with the towel. I'm gonna do just so. It's not douse it, just get it damp. And then, obviously again, this is how you turn it on. So let's, blue light came on, we're good to go. Let's take it for a spin. It's on my neck. Here's the controller. Here we go. I don't know what to expect. Okay, I'm gonna hit the mode button. And then start up in the intensity. Oh. So you won't visibly be able to see it's working. Look at this. Obviously, probably you couldn't see that, but here. Okay, the best way I can explain how this feels right now is, I don't know if you're an athlete or if you ever use one of those stems where they use those electrodes and they put it on your body, like if you had a hamstring injury or shoulder, whatever it is, and you can feel the like shocks. That's what it feels like right now. Weird sensation, but cool. I'm gonna turn the heat portion on. It's immediate. You can feel the heat right now. You're not gonna visibly be able to see it doing anything, but let me tell you guys, it's legit working. They tell you not to use it for more than 30 minutes a day. This thing will last for 15 minutes and it'll shut off. If it's off you and it's on, it will cut off in 3 minutes. Guys, I like it. Let me turn it up a little bit. It feels like this mode feels like it's pulling on my neck. And I guess even when you change your neck, ooh, that's a different pull. You could probably see. Probably not. This thing is awesome. This is awesome. And it's so portable, it's small. I'm gonna feel the different modes. Well guys, that's it. Thank you for taking this journey with me. This intelligent massager is amazing. It's like getting STEM. I definitely will highly recommend it. This is my first time ever experiencing an intelligent neck massager. I didn't know what I was gonna get into. But hey, that's what I'm here for, guys. I am your cheat sheet before you make your purchase. So Hopefully this helps you. This gives you a little sneak peek into what you're thinking about purchasing. And if you like it, get you one. I know I did. I love it. All right, make sure you guys subscribe. Find me on YouTube at Andy Dooley Fitness. Much love. It's your boy Dooley. I'm out.